The next question that we are going to practice today is configuring the repositories. It's free number. This is the question that you have to do on both nodes. Node 1, you also have to configure the repositories on node 1 and also on node 2. So these are the free marks if you practice along, and if you know the content, if you know how you're going to deal with it, you'll get 100% marks in it. So uh, if you pull up a question, you will see these kind of two links, base OS and AppStream. So when you are going to attempt this question, first thing is you have to be on the right place, and the right place is under the right place is you have to cd under slash etc. There is a directory that has yum dot repos dot t. You have to be here. If I do pwd, now my path is I'm under etc yum dot repos t. The second thing is you are going to, for before going to do further, if when you these questions come, if you run the command yum repo list, if you run it, you won't find anything in it. It will be empty. The command would run empty. Therefore, in the exam telling you in the exam, if you run the command before configuring the repo yum repo list, it will come up empty. It's okay. So you are in the right place, and now what you have to do, you have to make a dot repo file. They will surely not give a name in the question. If they give, we'll use it, but they will not give the name of the file. Therefore, we can use any name. So for example, local dot repo, I made this file. Okay, what is the name of the file that I made? Okay, asset dot repo, vi asset dot repo. I've already configured this. So you will make a file vi local dot repo by your name dot repo by exam dot repo, but it should be dot repo, not dot repos or s in the end. No, dot repo file, whatever the name in the start doesn't matter. So in my case, I'm using vi asset dot repo. So this is the way. I know you guys know how to fill in what are the contents of this file. So in the first part, you see the brackets and the base OS. I'm going to copy it from here like this and paste it. Name is base OS, base URL, the complete link already given. I'll just copy it. I've copied it and paste it here. GPG check equals 0, enabled 1. Then the second repo brackets AppStream name, AppStream base URL, the link, same way the link GPG check 0 enabled 1. If you are able to do this, you'll save the file. You will save the file, and when you'll do yum repo list, you'll find base OS. You'll find, look, base OS and AppStream, only two. You will not find these. These are from my local environment. Forget about it. So you will find base OS and AppStream. That means your question is right. But if you find subscription manager, registration, or something like that, that means there is an error in the configuration you have made. That doesn't mean you have to do anything you have to do with a subscription manager. Nothing to do with the subscription manager. If after configuring, you find this error, that means the configuration you have made, there is some mistake. What could be some possible mistakes? Number one, there could be a spelling mistake. Base URL, if you forget GPG check, something like that, spelling mistake, first check this. Number two, check this. If you see, look, if there are two brackets, if what I say, if one, the curly bracket, the brackets are wrong, that is also going to, one bracket or second bracket is wrong, that is also going to cause an issue. Okay, let me, so so it should be there, bracket issue, name spelling issue, space, there should be one space between or more, I prefer one space between the entries of two repos. And important thing, if you get everything right, you see these, if you are accidentally, let's see, in the insert mode, if I accidentally copy this line and paste it, let's see, let me paste it here, you see. So it seems that my configuration is correct. There is no spelling mistake. There is no bracket mistake. The links are generally copied. AppStream, base OS, everything is okay. The spellings of base OS, AppStream already copied from the link. Therefore, everything is right. Yet you're going to do yum repo list after saving it. It is going to throw an error. Why? Because unfortunately, unknowingly, what you did, you copied these empty lines here. You see there is a blue, all these tildes are blue, and here where I copied them it is white. So here in my local environment it is not going to cause any problem, but when you're dealing with the Red Hat environment in the exam, if you are accidentally copied these extra lines, it is definitely going to throw an error. So what you have to do, you will backspace and remove these extra lines. You see all these tilde should be in the same color, there should be no extra line. So spelling mistake, bracket mistake, link mistake, otherwise GPG check 0 enabled 1, it should not be GPG check 1 and enabled 0. So if you are able to content this and then go for, if accidentally you have copied some extra line or something like that, so if you focus, take a deep breath and put these contents, and after when you save it and you will do yum repo list, you will definitely get it right. And once you get it right, once you get it right, once you get it right, you have the option, you do cat, because you are already in the, you can dot repo file that you have made, you'll get this content, you copy it, the same all, you copy it and go to the other node, cd slash etc yum dot repos dot d, because you have to do this question again, make a file with the same name, local dot repo. Okay, I have got, already got this. Let me make another file, uh, asset.repo here, asset.repo, and insert, and you paste it here. But again, when pasting it, remember, unfortunately, if you got these extra line, copies, so that means it is going to throw you an error. For example, like this. Look, the white tilde and there are empty lines copied, so it is going to throw an error. I'll do it, and further I'll check if the link for the node 2 is the same. I'll copy that, only change that link, or if the link is same, that's okay. I'll save it in that machine too, and we are done. So if you are able to make it right on the first machine, what you do, you cat the file, copy it, go to the other machine, go to the same place, open a file and paste it. Just verify in the node 2 question that this link is the same or not. If the link is the same, nothing to worry about. You do one question, you copy it and you paste it onto the, by clicking on the other the second machine, and uh, that question will be done in a minute. And if you further verify, I do yum repo list on the other machine and it will be done. Again, focus, no empty line should be copied, spelling mistake, bracket mistake, space. If all this is right, you'll definitely get it right. So best of luck.